Not too long ago, we did a promotion with Dupli-Color where viewers could submit pictures of their vehicles with a scratch in it, and they could have the opportunity to bring that vehicle in and work on it right here in the shop. And today, that's you. Eric, nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you, Matt.
Thanks for bringing the truck in. Tell me a little bit about this thing real quick.
It's a 2016 TRD off-road, and you're going to show me how to get these evil eyes out of my door.
I can tell, dude, because this truck is clean, and even with all the traveling you did, I know that bugs you, doesn't it?
It does. It looks at me, and you're going to help me fix it.
We are going to fix that, and I've got just the right products to do it. We're going to do it with the Dupli-Color Scratch Fix all-in-one. So, Eric, the first thing we need to do is get the paint code.
Sure.
And on Toyotas, it's right down here inside the door. So that is 1D6. So you get 1D6, and that's going to correspond with a part number so that you get the right color from Dupli-Color. You go into the parts store and you find a book like this, flip to the back, vehicle specific, and that corresponds with a part number, which corresponds with the right product, which is exactly what we got. You can do that, or you can go online to Dupli-Color.com.
Great.
The first thing we want to do is get the surface good and clean, and with Dupli-Color we have a couple different options. We can use the multi-purpose foaming prep cleaner or the prep spray. Now in this case, he just got a ceramic coating on this not too long ago, and the prep spray is a little bit more aggressive, so we're going to go ahead with that. Now when we start applying the color, one of the things I like to do is I like to apply just a little bit as opposed to adding too much, because it's always easier to add more. Once the color's on, you want to let that sit for about 30 minutes, at least 30 minutes, and it will flatten out, like the color will kind of fill in, and then you can apply the clear and finish the job. I want to remind you and everybody else, though, also on the Dupli-Color product line, they've got these universal colors, too, which are good for, you know, if you mess up your wheel or something on a bumper like that, they got the universals. And if you have a bigger job than this, like we had little tiny scratches.
Sure.
If you've got a big one, they've got the aerosol color match, too, for all bunch of different colors. So for more information on these or any of the other Dupli-Color products, be sure to check out their website.